In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove Safari web browser from your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and if you just want to hide the Safari app icon from your home screen, you can just long press on it, then select remove app, and then remove from home screen. In this way we can hide Safari app icon from our home screen. However, the Safari web browser is still installed on my device. I can easily find it. If I go to app library, I can then use search to search for Safari in this way, and also I can just swipe down at any of my home screens, then search for Safari, and then I can open it up. If you want to completely disable Safari web browser on your iPhone, you need to go to Settings. On Settings, go to Screen Time. If it is turned on, just enable it first. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure this button turned on. After that, go to Allowed Apps, and that's where you can easily find the Safari. Now we can tap at this toggle to turn it off, and then if we'll try to search for Safari, we are not able to find Safari web browser anymore because it is completely turned off. To enable it, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, Allowed Apps, and then turn it back on. That's how you can easily turn on or off Safari web browser on your iPhone.